everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs on 27th of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So according to new SEBI rule, the security holder is not required to submit FIR if the value of security doesn't exceed. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 5 lakh. So recently the market regulator, the Security Exchange Board of India, has simplified the procedure for issuing duplicate securities, which provide a hassle-free experience and is investor friendly. So these changes have come due to the recent review of the regulator on the procedure followed by the registrar and the issuer companies. So basically, to claim duplicate securities, the security holder have to submit a copy of FIR with details of the securities, distinctive number range and certificate number. So however, if the value of securities does not exceed rupees 5 lakh, the security holder does not have to submit FIR. Okay, so now next question. According to recent data, how much Indian palm oil import would decline? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 19%. So as per recent data, it is estimated that palm oil import would go down due to the allowing duty-free import of soy oil. So the other reason which lead to fall prices was Indonesia crop on export to India. It is also expected that India's palm oil import in 2021 to 2022 could 6.7 million ton by 31st of October, which is the lowest since 2010. Apart from that, the government has allowed duty-free import of 2 million tons each of the crude soy oil and crude sunflower oil for the current and next fiscal year. Okay, so now next question. Which ministry recently announced the launch of Swachh Survekshan 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So recently the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launched Swachh Survekshan with the theme Waste to Wealth for Garbage Free City. So this time the priority has been given to the principle of 3R, known as reduce, recycle and reuse in the survey. So it is considered to be a very important assessment tool issued to judge the cities on the basis of their hygiene and sanitation. Okay, so now next question. According to the International Labour Organization, most recent data, the number of job loss during a pandemic phase is, so the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 11.2 crore. So recently the International Labour Organization released a report which described the condition of global labour market crisis, inequalities between countries. So it has been reported the number of hours worked globally dropped in the first quarter of 2022 to 3.8%. So about 11.2 crore jobs have lost during this period. It is observed that both India, lower middle income countries experience a deterioration of the gender gap in the work hours in the second quarter of 2020. If we talk specifically about women, for every 100 women at work prior to the pandemic, and now 12.3 women would have lost their job on an average. Okay, so now next question. Which company is the first in India to trade domestic gas on the Indian Gas Exchange? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So recently the state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, also known as ONGC, has become the first gas producer to sell domestic gas on Indian Gas Exchange unidentified amount from KJWN 98/2 block of the coast of India. So basically, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation stated in a statement that it will gradually raise output. So basically, ONGC has made history by becoming India's first exploration and production company to trade domestic gas on the Indian Gas Exchange. Okay, so now next question. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, which state government signed MOU totaling 30,000 crore rupee with 23 corporations from across the world? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Maharashtra. So recently the Maharashtra government has signed MOU worth 30,000 crore rupee with 23 companies from different parts of the world at the World Economic Forum in Davos. Okay, so now next question. Which bank recently announced the launch of Real Time Xpress Credit on its internet banking platform, allowing eligible clients to access personal loan worth up to rupees 35 lakh? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is State Bank of India. So recently the State Bank of India has announced the launch of Real Time Xpress Credit on its platform, which allows eligible customer to get personal loan of up to rupees 35 lakh. Now move to the next question. Which bank has recently partnered with Retailio to establish a new range of co-branded credit card targeted particularly at chemists and pharmacy in the merchant segment? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is HDFC Bank. So recently the HDFC Bank, India's largest private sector bank, announced the launch of new range of co-branded credit card with Retailio aimed largely the chemist and pharmacy in the merchant market. So basically, Retailio is the largest B2B pharma marketplace in the country. So it is useful app that is having a significant digital impact on the pharma supply chain management in India. So basically, chemist, retailer, distributor, pharmaceutic and hospital can use the Retailio mobile application and web interface to place order with their respective distributors. Okay, so now next question. Who has been named Chief Executive Officer of JSW One Platform, a JSW Group e-commerce venture? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Gaurav Sachdeva. So recently the JSW Group has appointed Gaurav Sachdeva as the CEO of JSW One Platform, an e-commerce venture for the group. So basically, his role at JSW Venture, where he has lead venture capital investment for the fund. In his role as CEO of JSW One Platform, Gautam Sachdeva will aim to create an organization backed by the credibility and scale of JSW Group that will ease buying and selling of steel and other products for manufacturing and construction of MSME in the country. Okay, so now next question. The Queen has bestowed upon Kishore Jayaraman the honorary title of Officer of Order of British Empire. So basically, for which of the following firm is the President of India and South Asia? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Rolls-Royce. So the Kishore Jayaraman, who is the President of India and South Asia for Rolls-Royce, has received an honorary officer of the Order of British Empire. Okay.